Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping by, you guys. I truly appreciate it. This would be the first time I did something a little bit different on my page, like a little bit different. Like y'all were asking all about my shoes, so I figured why not like just do a haul. Like makes sense, right? Don't it? So yes, today's haul is gonna be from one company only. I have been paying for this subscription service for a long time, you guys. I had just let it go. I had let the subscription go, like just let it like continue going on without me realizing it. So I built up a whole bunch of credits that I needed to use. So I'm like, let me just order a whole bunch of shoes and heels and stuff that I like, and then I'll do a haul and stuff. And I've been incorporating them into my little clothing hauls and stuff, and you guys were like super impressed. Today's shoe haul is from Shoedazzle. Yeah, so it's from Shoedazzle, you guys. You probably have seen it. I think it's like Shoedazzle and Just Fab are like the same, I think. I'm not sure, don't quote me on it, but this is in no way sponsored, you guys. This is all coming out of my pocket. This is all my opinions, and these are all shoes that I picked personally. So this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. But if y'all want to, you know, Shoedazzle, if you want to treat your girl, I ain't mad at you. Before we get started, if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey to the top. And while y'all down there, make sure y'all hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and jump into today's what is this? Look, I don't even know what this is. Today's shoe haul. It's a shoe haul, girl. Yeah. Boom, boom. So usually in my clothing hauls I like to do like my body type and stuff, but this is a shoe haul, you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys my size. My shoe size is a 7 and a 7.5 in women. So all these shoes are, you know, that size. And I do want to point out that all their shoes are true to size also. They also do have wide calf and wide width available in some styles. So yeah, get into it. Also, I think I have a code down below if you guys want to go ahead and join the subscription service. I think it's like $30 or $39 a month, or I think it's like $20 for your first time if you're a first timer. But yeah, I'll leave it down below. Make sure you guys, you know, check that out and click that link, help a sister out. But yeah, let's get into the thing. This first pair that I have here, these are the newest ones that I got. I haven't even wore these puppies yet, but these are white boots, you guys. I have been seeing white boots like trending all over social media, so had to pick these up. Okay, so this part is suede, and then this part right here, I'm not sure what this is, but it's like very foamy foam. The heel is very thick heel, and it does have a zipper on the side, you guys. These don't come in like with a wide width or anything. I do have thick ankles, and they were not like tight on my ankle or anything, and they weren't loose either. It was like a perfect fit. I do want to note that they are stretchy also. If you have like super big calves, it's gonna be okay. So I got these I actually got these in the 8 because I like to, when I have like booties like these, I like to wear socks with them. So yeah, I got them a little bit larger than usually. They were a little bit big, but I wasn't wearing them with socks when I initially tried them on. But these are so bomb. These are for my babes who cannot walk in heels, aka myself. Cannot walk in heels because for one, the heel is so thick and there's a platform on it, and these are so lightweight, you guys. Like, I don't know if y'all can like tell that these are lightweight, but yeah, these are so lightweight they feel like I'm walking on air. So I highly recommend these guys, especially with the whole white boot trend. Like, get into it, sis. Like, get into it. So let's get into the next pair that I have. This next pair, these are just for me because I love pink and I just could not pass these up. So they're just some purple kind of knockoff UGG shoes or whatever. They have that fuzziness to them with the little elastic slide on the back. Now everybody was talking about how the Uggs the Uggs have like a thicker platform than these, so I figured that these would be better for me to walk in and not twist my ankle, because that's what everybody was saying about the Uggs. Like, you were just coming off the shoe and twisting your ankle and all that. So I'm like, girl. So I got these little dupes, you guys. Super cute furry magenta color, and it is a smaller platform on it. I will say, however, I still do slide off on these. I think it's the fuzziness of it, your foot being, you know, on a fuzzy surface and kind of being slippery. So yeah, be careful with these. But these are like bomb. Like, I know this is a shoe haul, you guys. This isn't a heel haul, so I did want to point these out because these are so cute, y'all. I do want to also note that don't wear these too much because you'll start to get like a toe imprint. And if you do, kind of like, you know, make the fur, after each wear, rub the fur down so you don't have that toe imprint in there and it starts getting all gunky and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. But these are still super cute, and I do believe they had different colors in these too. So I definitely wanted to share these with y'all. Okay, super cute. I got these in my regular size, which is a 7, and yeah, it fit really good. So check these out, you guys. Let's get into the next shoe. This next shoe, I haven't wore these yet. Ryder freaking chewed on the heel part of it, so I'm like super like upset about it. But thank God it's not like noticeable, at least from a distance, you know. But these are snakeskin platform shoes, like so bomb. So they're snakeskin, and they have a peep toe on the front. It has a strap around the ankle. The heel is kind of thick, so it's a plus for me. Okay. The heel is also kind of steep, which is not a plus, but it makes up for it with the platform top. Now this also does have that kind of lug bottom on the bottom, where it's kind of like a sorry, the bottom of these are dirty. I've been like trying to practice walking in heels on a daily because I just can't do it, y'all. Like I'll wear heels for like 10 minutes and then I'm like, whoo girl, my feet is hurting. But yeah, so it does have that kind of like gum bottom, lug bottom sole. Yep, you guys, these are super cute. I got these, what size did I get these freakers in? It doesn't even say. Oh, I got these in a 7.5, you guys. They fit good, you know, even on this little part. I will say this part is a little bit tight and you will have to break it in, but these are so worth it. If you do not have a pair of snake print shoes in your life, honey, get into it. These are super cute. I can't wait to pull these out, you guys. Like, oh, they're so cute. Like, so cute. It's a black, it's not even a black and white, it's kind of like a black, white, and cream. And as you guys can see, Ryder has torn that up. Let me let that zoom in so y'all can see the damage that my freaking dog did to that. And then the bottom of that heel, I don't know why he thought it was a chewing toy, but beats me. Let's talk about the next shoe. This next shoe, y'all, this is my favorite pair of shoes ever. This is my favorite pair of shoes ever, y'all, because they are cute and they give what they're supposed to give. Okay, so these are some clear wedges, you guys. So these are wedges. I do think these are kind of like a summer shoe, but these also come in handy when I want to wear like some clear heels, but I don't feel like walking, which is like half the time. But yeah, these are super cute, you guys. It has kind of like that thong flip-flop sandal kind of look on the top. It has clear straps. It has that kind of brown bottom that the typical Cinderella glass shoe has, and then it has that glass, which is a wedge. Now this is kind of like a kitten heel, you guys, but it's still cute, especially from the front. You do have that little, you know, when you take your pictures and you want your little foot popped. It's so cute. It does what it's supposed to do, and these do not hurt at all. I will say that this little part it does kind of hurt on its own, because the shoe is flat. When you're walking, it's kind of like a different kind of pain than a heel. So yeah, these I wasn't able to walk in these for long periods of time, but they were cute, you know, for a good like 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, so these are cute, you guys. I got these in the size 7. Yeah, I got these in the size 7, and these are just, this is a staple, especially for us bigger girls. Y'all know it's like a hassle to walk in heels, so please get these, you guys. I really like these. So next I wanted to do these right after those. So these are actually the clear, you know, the heels everybody got. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the little clear Cinderella heel. As y'all can see, I got my gel inserts in them already because these are no joke. I mean, they just are too cute. So like, I like wearing them because they look really good on my feet. Like, they look really good, but they just are super hard and uncomfortable. So it has the glass, I mean that clear kind of strip around the toe, and then I do want to note that the straps on this one are a little wonky. Okay, are a little wonky, so I have to cross them in the back and then cross them in the front and then buckle it. So the back is a little bit like a lot. It just makes it super secure. So yeah, these are cute, you guys. I got these in the size 7.5 because I just know sometimes this little thing, my fat feet do not be fitting in these things. So I got a 7.5, you guys, and it fit pretty dang on good. I do want to note that the heel is round. It's a round heel, so it's not bad like a stiletto, but girl, prepare yourself if you are going to get these. Now they also do have these in like a now they also do have these in like a holographic kind of style. You guys know what I'm talking about. I was gonna get them, but I don't have anything holographic colory. I don't really wear too much colors. I'm more of a neutral girl. So yeah, but yeah, these are so cute. Make sure you guys check these out. Like, this is a staple in your closet. If you guys don't have a clear heel, get one, girl. These next pair of shoes are also my freaking favorites. Like, so these are like a cork shoe with black lace ups. And this heel, like the way that the shoe is designed, it's super easy to walk in. Like, that's when you guys are coming to my channel for heels, best believe I'm getting some shoes that we can walk in and still be cute in. So this isn't like a kitten heel. It's not ugly or anything. Like, it's bomb. And the little tie arounds, they give you a lot of, you know, space, so you can tie it up your leg, or you can do like the little, you know how you do it, just a little few wraparounds, and it's ample enough space for thicker legs. I do want to note also that this front part is not adjustable, so it comes like it comes. So with that, if you do have fat feet, I would recommend sizing up, because this part can be rather uncomfortable sometimes. I'm just saying. But overall, these are pretty good, you guys. And as you guys can see, Ryder then got into that one also. I don't know what that dog's problem is and why he thinks my heels are chew toys, but you know, honestly, I don't wear them anyway. I just kind of wear them for my hauls. Y'all know me, I'm more of a sneakers chick, but these are cute, and I would attempt to wear these out, you know. But yeah, I got these in the size 7.5, and honestly, I could have used the 8, because like I said, that front part was kind of hurting a little bit. But you know, when you get a little drinks in you, you probably can't even feel it. So the next item that I have, these next pair of shoes, these woo girl, I don't even know why I chose these, but I'm glad that I did, because the heel on these is like dangerous. So these are kind of like a brown colored with a brown colored platform, and these are kind of like my least favorite out of this whole little haul, because the straps are not big leg friendly, you guys. Like, literally, I had to pull the strap so freaking tight in order to be able to get the little buckle going or whatever. But these are so cute, you guys. They're so cute, and they're easy to walk in. I will say, however, since this heel is so freaking tall, you kind of have to walk a little bit different. Like, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like, you have to, like, not like this, but like foot first type you know, I don't even know if you guys understand what I'm saying. But yeah, these, because they're so, like, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But if you guys have like a heel, and it has a long heel and a platform, so it's kind of like I'm Bambi walking in these. But yeah, I really don't like these because of the strap. The strap is it's not giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. They could have gave a little bit more inches on the strap, because like I said, this ain't right. I got this in the size 7.5. Probably could have used the 8, but I'm not sure if that would have made the strap longer. But yeah, I was not too much a fan of these, but they are still super cute. Okay, so don't pass these up if you guys don't like them. Just be careful. The next item that I got, these are a favorite of mine. I've had these ones for a while, so I'm not sure if they're still on the website, but these are gorgeous, you guys. So they're kind of like those other pair of heels with the thicker heel and the platform. So these are super easy to walk in, you guys. So it has, it's like a two-tone, and it has that studded detail on the side. You guys, these are super cute, like especially with the white toe. Oh, love it with the white toe. Yeah, and these are also super lightweight, like, yeah, super lightweight, which means they're super easy to walk in. And now the strap, I do want to note the strap is one of those where you have to bring it around town and then bring it to the front, and it's super irritating, especially when you have like bigger, thicker calves and ankles and stuff. So yeah, it's a bit of a hassle, and you may need some help putting these on, because I always do. I have to have my girlfriend do it, help me. But yeah, these are still super cute, and you cannot pass these up because they, you know, you can do so much with this brown. It's two tones of brown. It's cream and kind of like a taupe color, so you can, you know, pair these with a lot of stuff. Okay. Let me get into the last pair, and I swear we are done, y'all. These last pair, you guys went crazy when I wore these a long time ago. I've had these for a while. I'm just trying to show you guys, you know, what all I had and have and stuff. And I definitely want to do more shoe hauls, just like with different companies and stuff. But yeah, these are I would say these are kind of for the summer. But yeah, once the summer do come out, I'm gonna bust these boys out. So these are kind of like a corkscrew platform sandal, you guys. I got them in the yellow shade, and they do have super long lace up that you can lace up around the ankle. These are so cute, and they're so easy to walk in, and they just, when you don't want to wear a heel, which is me most of the time, I don't even know how many times I had to say that in this video, but when you don't want to wear heels and you still want to be cute, these are so bomb. Okay, I love these. The color is so vibrant, like it just looks like you have a heel on, and then it's just bomb. I got this in a size 7, you guys. These are super cute. I will say that the bottom is white, so it will get a little dirty quickly, so be careful. But other than that, I have nothing to say about these. I do want to point out that these are kind of heavy a little bit, so when you walk, it's a little bit weighted down. But you know, you just got to get used to walking with a platform. I love platform shoes, so I'm used to it. But if you guys are new to platform shoes, you're gonna have to get into it, sis. Like it's the process. That wraps it up for this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Which heel was your favorite? Let's talk about it, okay? Let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.